Okay. Welcome to the HP stand at Pack Print 2013. My name's Jeremy Brew and I'm an application specialist with our sign and display team. I want to give you a quick walk through our stand and show you some of what we've got on display. So come for a walk. So what really sets HP apart is the variety of applications you can produce on our printers. We know our printers are shiny, glossy and exciting, but what we want to do is give customers ideas about different things they can print. So if they're application walls, we've got two walls here with UV samples, running everything from timber, everything from just a low cost masonite timber, right through to glass. And this particular solution, we've actually got a white overflood printed on the back. So end up with a very high quality result, suitable for retail, kitchen splashbacks, really anything you want to print with UV. And the great thing with UV is that we're printing directly to the substrate. So we're not having to worry about mounting, and given Australia's high labour costs, that's a win-win for our customers. And then if we move over to our latex wall, so everything here has been printed using our latex technology, all the way from a high quality retail backlit, all the way through to canvas, fine art prints, and also textiles for backlit, which has really taken off with people trying to get away from polyester films. We have some textile on display, and something that we're really excited about is some of the new magnetic films that we can run through latex. So this one, for example, we've actually painted the wall with a ferrous-based paint and then painted over it with white colour. This is a magnetic print, and so you imagine in a retail environment or for a wall graphic, there's really nothing special about this board. You can't even tell where we've painted it. But this side, it won't stick. This side with the metal paint, it'll happily stick to the print. This magnetic stuff's really exciting, and we're seeing this becoming a trend in Australia already. One thing that latex does especially well is print on low-cost uncoated papers, and we've even found customers using latex on offset papers for proofing. That's not what we built the technology for, but our customers amaze us with the things they're doing on our printers every day, and that's been particularly exciting for us. Okay. A win for HP, being that we can print, take it straight off the printer and laminate, and you can apply it straight to a car, without any waiting time. Whereas with our competitors, you're looking at up to 48 to 72 hours. With latex, straight off the printer, straight through the laminator, and fully compliant with warranties from Avery and 3M. We've got some of our textile samples. Textile is no longer the domain just of dye sublimation. With latex, we're able to print on uncoated polyester samples. Here we've got everything from a very soft, uncoated Fisher fabric. This is Fisher's soft knit, but then we get some really high quality fabrics like the Deco Print Silver, and this is very popular given the metallic threads through it. But I've got a whole range of different fabrics here, even a flag printed through a latex printer. And previously, before latex, if you wanted to print this on anything other than dye sub, you have to have a very thick coating, which really affected the feel of the media. But I challenge anyone to come and have a feel of particularly the soft knit. You wouldn't know there's any print on this. It feels just like a dye sub print. So we've got a whole range here of more prints, but I think that really talks for itself. I love the reflective film. With latex, we're printing directly to either coloured or to silver engineering grade reflective film for that short-term construction and road site market. So we're still trying to get people away from having to cut vinyl for this type of application, whether it be an emergency vehicle or whether it be just a short-term construction sign. We're able to print on exactly the same material without any special treatment, straight through the latex printer. And we get amazing detail right down to 4-point text on a reflective film. So before I show you the printers, I'll show you our last lot of applications up here. So this is our wall coverings wall. We're wanting to give our customers some different ideas of things they can do with their latex printers. So we have a couple of self-adhesive fabrics. So from JM we have our MediaTex, which we do have a very large print on the other side of our stand, a whole wall printed with this. The great thing with this media is this is installable, it's removable, so for a wall graphic at home, even if you have a bit of a shocker, it's very easy to pull off and reposition, or if you get a crinkle, you can just push that crinkle out. That same silver material I was showing you on the fabric wall, Deco Print also do that with a self-adhesive. So for wall graphics, we have that there as well. The bling is one that always gets a lot of attention. People like the bling. So that's from one of our partners, Dreamscape, and they do a whole range of wall coverings for latex. And something that's new for us is the nature woven. This looks like I've put a Hessian sack on my wall, but I really love the effect and the texture and the life that it gives your print. Traditional wallpapers from Alstrom, HP's PVC-free wallpaper. So this is applied using just water. It's pre-pasted, you wet it, you apply it, and we smooth it out with a sponge. And we have some other non-wovens, and we have another magnetic sample, which in this particular situation, this is bamboo from Visual Magnetics. And with this, we apply a magnetic strip to the wall, and then you can just apply your graphic over the top. Wall coverings is one of our fastest growing areas with latex, and we have a number of customers that have set their business up just producing wall coverings for not just the commercial market, but also reaching big time into the consumer market now as well. FB500, which is a flatbed UV printer. We've also fitted this with our roll-to-roll kit, again focusing on the versatility of our devices. With one printer we can run either roll-to-roll or rigid samples. And you can see all of our UV prints that we showed before on the sample wall have all been printed off this device. So everything from compressed PVC, core flute is always a favourite for us, but even very low cost substrates like, this is normal, core flute cardboard. So this just with a white coating, and you see we get fantastic image detail, even on those substrates. But with this same machine is the same printer. We printed glass, we've printed doors. You're really unlimited. Well, it's really your imagination is the only limitation as to what you can feed through. Anything up to 63 millimeters thick, and it's nice and flat, you can run it through this device. So we love this printer. This is the DesignJet L26500 printer. This is using our second generation HP latex ink technology. We're currently printing on an Avery cast vinyl, again reinforcing our message that you can use vinyl straight off the machine. This will go from here straight through a laminator, and it will be applied today to a vehicle that's on display at the show. So just again supporting our message about ready to use straight out of the printer. This is a 6-color machine. This is really the bread and butter machine in our latex range. We have a significant number of these machines around Australia and a number of very, very happy customers. So we start with our baby latex, and then we go all the way up to our industrial latex, which is the 3.2 meter Cytex LX850 printer. So you can see earlier today we were running a 3.2 meter banner, but the guys have changed it over and we now have dual roll mechanism on here. So we can run dual 1500 wide rolls, and they've currently got a 1370 wide wallpaper on there. So running high speed up to 100 plus square meters an hour. At the moment they're running a high quality mode at 45 square meters an hour. But the results that we get out of this, it's really just our, it's using our exact same latex technology, but on a much bigger scale. So at Pack Print, we also wanted to give people an idea of what you can do for personalisation and decoration. So we built a little lounge room here with coffee tables, lamps, wallpaper, photo on the wall, curtains and a couch. Everything in here has been printed off the L26500 latex printer, and everything will change every day. So yesterday we had a blue colour theme, today we have green, tomorrow we might be orange, we might be purple, but every day of the show, new couch skins, new bench tops, new coffee tables, new curtains, everything can change on a daily basis. And that's the flexibility of latex, from photo papers to vinyls to wallpapers to textiles, and durable textiles with amazing image quality. So we just want to give people some new ideas. What else can you do with your investment? It's more than just signs.